Hey, what's up guys, Warren Ness. Quick tip of the day, fasteners. These are GRK 3/8 by 8-inch fastener. It's got a star head on it. Super helpful. Let me show you the tip. What we use these for, this is XPS foam, and we glue the pieces together, and these screws work real well. They have a pan head on there, and they have a coarse thread. Super helpful when gluing your foam. This is gonna pull it tight. I usually let it set for about 18 to 24 hours. I pull them out, and then I got a box ready to go. Extremely handy. Skewer sticks work well too, but they just hold it. They're not gonna push those pieces together tight so the glue can set up. Make sure you use ample glue. We're using Great Stuff foam glue on this. Works well, gets you through. Second tip, this is a gusset. This is a planter box. This gusset is temporary. So it's kind of nice. We can back the screws out, cut the foam block out when we deliver. If you don't put this in, this inner core could be very flimsy. This is about 4 foot, a little over 4 foot long. And if this concrete has been dried and then you move it to transport it, you can stress fracture it. So this web gusset is really helpful. Once we deliver it in the field, once it's complete, we cut it out, we fill this with soil, you plant your garden. All right guys, stay tuned for more. Peace.